Good afternoon, all of you. My dear first class students, today discuss about place value from your workbook, volume 1, page number 30. Beta. See here, place value. Write the place value of the numbers. See here, the given number 36 beta. 36 in it. See from left to right side. 6 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place beta. Then you can write 3 tens, 3 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place, 6 ones. Next 45. See here, 45, 5 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. Then you can write 4 tens and 5 ones. Next 65. See here, from left to right to left side, 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place. Now 6 tens, 6 is in tens place, then you can write 6 tens and 5 is in ones place, 5 ones. Next 76, 6 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, then you can write 7 tens and 6 ones. The 89 better. So 9 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, then you can write 8 tens and 9 ones. Next 28. See here, 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. From right to left side, first place is called as ones place, then second place is called as tens place. So 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. You can write 2 tens and 8 ones. Next 19 beta. So 9 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. 1 tens and 9 ones. Write down everybody. Next, read the place values and number the box. See here. Read the place values and number the box. See here, first one, 1 tens and 7 ones. So you can write it here. This is ones place, this is tens place. 1 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place, then 17. Next, 0 tens and 4 ones. See here, ones place, tens place. See, look at the blackboard everybody. So 0 is in tens place, this is tens place, write down. Next, 4 is in ones place. So 0, 4, it can be read as only 4 beta. Now next, 6 tens and 9 ones. This is tens place, this is ones place. 6 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. So what is the number beta? 69. 69. Next, 7 tens and 1 ones. This is ones place, tens place. See here, 7 is in tens place, T for tens, O for ones, 1 is in ones place. The given number 71. Write down everybody. Now next, 4 tens and 8 ones beta. See, this is ones, this is tens. 4 is in tens place, 8 is in ones place. The given number is 48. Next, 3 tens and 6 ones. See here. So this is tens column, this is ones column. 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So the given number is 36. Write down everybody. Now next, everybody take your activity book. Activity book, volume 1. Now page number 32. Now before, after, between numbers. See here, look at the groups of numbers below. Fill in the missing numbers in each group that comes before the others. See here. So 3 is given beta. Number 3. So the before number of 3 is 2. 2 before number is 1. Now next here. So the given number 10, the number comes before 10. 10 before 9, the number comes before 9. 9 before 8 beta. 13 is given. The number comes before 13. You can get 12. Okay, 13 before number is 12. The number comes before 12. 12 before 11. 11. So the number comes before 11, that is 10. So 11 before 10. Now the number comes before 10. 10 before 9. So 16 given. The number comes before 16, that is 15. 16 before number is 15. Now next the number comes before 15. 15 before 14. Write down it. Now next the number comes before 6. 6 before 5, the number comes before 5. 4. 5 before 4. See here the given number 5, the number comes before 5, that is 4. 5 before 4, the number comes before 4. 4 before 3. Now 29. The number comes before 29, that is 28. 29 before, the number is 28. The number comes before 28, means 27. 28 before number is 27. The number comes before 18, that is 17. 18 before number is 17. The number comes before 17. 17 before 16 better. The number comes before 21 is 20. 21 before 20. The number comes before 20, that is 19. 20 before 19. Write down everybody. Now next I, for that the number that stands before me. See here 24 beta. The number comes before 24 is 23. 24 before number is 23. The number comes before 35 is 34. 35 before number is 34. The number comes before 45 is 44. 45 before number is 44. The number comes before 23 is 22. 23 before number is 22. The number comes before 54. 54 before number is 53. The number comes before 98. 98 comes before number is 97. 98 before number 97. number comes before 44 is 43. 44 before number 43. The number comes before 56 is 55. 56 before number is 55. The number comes before 88 is 87. 88 before number is 87. The number comes before 96 is 95. 96 before number is 95. So the number comes before 11, that is 10. 11 before 10. Next the number comes before 30, that is 29. 30 before number is 29. So remaining problems you can do it. So next can you find the next 3 pens of wine. So you can find out next 15 numbers. 15. See here 15 after 16. 16 after 17, 17 after 18. 24 after 25 beta, 25 after 26, 26 after 27. 42. 42 after 43 beta, 43 after 44, 44 after 42. 56. That is the given number. 56 after 57, 57 after 58, 58 after 59. 31 after 32, 32 after 33, 33 after 34. 73 after 74, 74 after 75, 75 after 76. Okay, remaining problem second. Next, while printing the ID cards, the numbers on a few cards are left out. Can you complete them? here better 90. Here 92, 95, 97. So then you can write missing numbers. 90, 90 after 91. Next 92 is given. 92 after 93. 93 after 94. So 95 is given. 95 after 96. 96 after 97 already given. Write down everybody. Next, the signs or symbols. See here, big and small number. The given numbers I have to place on a balance scale. Place the numbers appropriately. See here, first one 933. So here, everybody you can do this like the bigger number. Okay, 33, and the smaller number 9. So the bigger number write down the down pan, the smaller number write down above pan. See here. This is 33, 9, 25. See here 20, 50. So 50 write down here. Now 20 write down here above the pan, below of the pan. They are given balance scale. Now next the signs or symbols. Page number 35. See here 44 better. Next 23. So 44 is the bigger number than 23. Then you can use here greater than symbol. 43 is greater than 23. 41, 59. See 41 is the smaller number than 59. Then you can use here less than symbol. 41 is less than 59. So 90, 20. 90 is the bigger number than 20. Then you can use here greater than symbol. 90 is greater than 20. Now next. Which sign less than, greater than or equal? Would you put? Between these pairs of numbers. See here better 50, 47. 50 is bigger number than 47. Then you can use here greater than symbol. 50 is greater than 47. 54, 25. See here 54 is the bigger number than 25. So 54 is greater than 25. Then you can use greater than symbol. So 54 is greater than 25. 33, 59. See here 33 is a smaller number than 59. Then you can use here less than symbol. 33 is less than 59. 99, 25. 99 is the bigger number than 25. Then you can use greater than symbol. Then 99 is greater than 25. 23, 10. See here, 23 is the bigger number than 10. Then you can use greater than symbol. It can be read as 23 is greater than 10. 66, 16. 66 is the bigger number than 60. Then you can use greater than symbol. You can read as 66 is greater than 16. 32, 1. So 32 is a bigger number than 1. Then you can use greater than symbol. 32 is greater than 1. See here, 22 is equals to 22. Then you can use here equal symbol. 48, 14. 48 is bigger number than 14. Then you can use greater than symbol. It can be read as 48 is greater than 14. Okay, beta. Today your class is completed. Thank you to all.